All right, my recording cut off before I could do questions 3 and 4. Although I decided that I didn't know why 4 was there, that would be kind of a totally separate problem, so I just got rid of it. So yeah, I did questions 1 and 2, as you can see above. The answers are in bold in a previous video. It cut out before I could do 3. So in 3, it says fill in the blank. The cost of a movie in 2018 was blank percent of what it was in 2000. So this is using a percent for comparison. So we're comparing 2000 versus 2018. Now, question 2, we are using a percent to show change. Those are 2 of the ways you can use percentages: change and comparison. Now, comparison and change are directly related. So what you need to identify here is when you're comparing, pick out the value that you're comparing to. This is called the reference value. So you're comparing 2018 to the year 2000. So the year 2000 is the reference value. Now the reference value is also thought of as the baseline, and it can also be seen as 100%. That's why I wrote all those things underneath it. So if in 2000 it was $5, right? And in 2018 it was more, it was $9. Well, we already identified that the percent increase was 80%, meaning it rose 80% from 2000. So if 2000 is the baseline at 100%, and it went up 80%, up 80, then we are at 180%, right? So let me bold that. So the cost of a movie ticket in 2018 was 180% of what it was in 2000. And because it's more than 100%, and that's why you can see that the ticket in 2018 was higher. If it worked out to be this, it didn't, but say it was the cost of the movie ticket in 2018 was 50% of what it was in 2000, then that would mean it was less than what it was in 2000, because it would be lower than 100%. So 100% again is that baseline. All right. There is another way to do this if you don't like trying to think of the baseline and 100% here and adding or subtracting from there. I think that's the easiest. But another way to look at this, I'm going to post this down here, is a modified version of the percent change formula. So if you change the difference to the new value, and the original is the reference value, this can be a little formula used for percents for comparison. So let me copy and paste this here. So in this case, the new value was $9, right? And the reference value is whatever you're referring to or comparing to, which was 2000, which was $5. So if you do 9 divided by 5, you get 1.8 times 100, 180. So that is another way. That's another way you can do it. So this is kind of option 1, or I don't even like option 1, method 1. This would be more of method 2. So method 1 requires you to calculate the percent increase or decrease in a different situation and then apply the baseline of 100%. Or you can ignore that and do method 2, where you take the new value that you have and put it over the reference value, which is whatever you're comparing to, and that will get you right to that 180% as well. All right, I hope this was helpful. If you need anything else, just please reach out to me. All right, have a good one.